morning all dear students. Today we are going to solve the MST CET question paper of 2016 which is conducted by our Maharashtra board. In these solutions we also discuss some tips and techniques regarding the CET paper. Okay, so let's start with the question number 1. See the question. Your question is belongs to which chapter now? So by observing the question, you have to decide this also. Yeah? So the question is belongs to the chapter last one from your board syllabus, board paper. It is from binomial distribution. Tick. If you observe the question, what is given there? E of x and V of x are given. And your question is to find the probability less than 1. So as you know, E of x and V of x. So what is the E of x? It is just the NP. What is the V of x? It is NPQ. So what is E of x? It is 5 and 2.5. By dividing these two, NP is cancelled. 1 upon Q. It is 2 upon 1. So Q is this. P is also this. If you put the value of P here, your N becomes 10. To find the probability for P of x less than 1 means it is just P of x equal to 0. Got it? So NCX, NC0, 1 upon 2 raised to 0, it is 1 upon 2 raised to n minus x, it is a 10, it becomes 1, 1 raised to 10 is a 1, so 1 upon 2 raised to 10, that will be your answer. Yeah, your option is a B for the question first. Now for question second, see the question. Derivative, it is belongs, शब्दावरून लक्षात येईल ना, it belongs to the derivative with respect to something is given. So directly go like this, u and v. So your dy by dx is du by dv. What is your u? Tan inverse of x upon under root 1 minus x square, and your v is sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. In both, if you observe it carefully, you need the substitution x equal to sin theta. Yeah. 1 minus sin square cos square under root के बाहर, it becomes cos, sin upon cos, it is a tan, tan inverse of tan theta, it is just the theta. Okay, again here substitution, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, it is a formula for sin 3 theta, it just like this. Yeah, don't put the value of theta here, just directly differentiate with theta, it becomes 1 and it becomes 3. So your answer is directly du by dx, du by d theta वगैरे. म्हणजे अशा काही गोष्टी तुम्हाला डायरेक्ट करता आल्या पाहिजे. So your answer is option number D. It depends on your maximum thinking. Yeah. Let's go to question number 3. The differential equation of family of circle. If you observe the question, it is not necessary to write anything. Just by looking the question, you can guess the answer. Question number 3. The differential equation of family of circles touching y-axis at the origin. When the circle touches y-axis touches at origin. Okay. Let us see the question number 3 now. The question is that the differential equation of family of circles touching y-axis at the origin. As you know, when the circle touch y-axis at the origin y-axis, okay? So center is this and radius must be this. So center, by center radius form, your equation of circle is x minus h bracket square y minus 0. So it is y square is equal to r square means h square. If you expand this, your answer is x square, it is minus twice h square is cancelled, plus y square equal to 0. So you have to just differentiate this. This one, ये ऐसे आएगा भाई आगे, अपॉन x इक्वल टू ट्वाइस h ट्रांसफर करके आ गया. डिफरेंशिएट दिस बाय यूजिंग u अपॉन v स्क्वायर v इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस ट्वाइस x ट्वाइस y dy by dx minus x square plus y square as it is. Derivative of v is 1, 2h is a constant, derivative 0, transfer to this, answer is a 0. ये twice x square minus x square, it is a x square plus twice xy dy by dx minus y square equal to 0. See, it is given in the option. Yeah, it is option number B. Question number 4. Matrix A is given and you have to find the value of this. Very simple one. A11, element number 1, A21. For this, we find the adjoint 1 minus 0. Sum is odd, so it is minus 1 plus A12, it is again 1, cofactor for this A22, 1 minus 0, it is 1 because sum is even number, A13, it is a 0. So minus 1 plus 1, your answer is a 0. See, the option is a B. So this is about the 4 questions. Let's go to the question number 5. See the question number 5. Rolle's theorem for f of x is given. So for Rolle's theorem, you need the derivative of that. Just use u into v. u derivative of v, sin x का derivative आएगा भाई cos x, ये हो जाएगा plus sin x, ये वैसा h. So minus cos plus cos is a cancel. It is just 2 e raised to x into sin x f dash x. As your Rolle's theorem is valid for this interval, so f dash of c must be 0. So it is a 2 e raised to c into sin c is a 0. They are always constant, go to that side. So sin c is a 0. C must be 0 and C must be pi, because sin 0 is a 0, उसके बाद pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. It doesn't belongs to that interval, so C must be pi. Your question is value of C, that must be pi, so the option is D. Question number 6. The joint equation of line passing through the origin and trisecting the first quadrant. Trisect, it makes 3 equal parts. So these are the two lines 30, 30, 30 degree trisecting. तो पहली लाइन बनाएगी 30 डिग्री, दूसरी लाइन बनाएगी 60 डिग्री. So equation of the first line is tan 30, it is 1 upon root 3, y equal to mx. Equation of second line is y equal to root 3x, tan 60 is a root 3, m is a slope. So what is the equation of first? It is x minus root 3y equal to 0, and equation of second root 3 minus y equal to 0. Just multiply them. You can easily multiply this by multiplying. Your answer is option number C. Yeah. See the question number 7. If this condition is given and you have to find what is the sin x plus cos x. Good question is, as it is a 2 tan inverse theta, consider this, it represents tan inverse plus tan inverse same. Okay, so use the result of tan inverse A plus tan inverse B. It is tan inverse of A plus B means it is a 2 cos x upon tan inverse 1 minus AB means 1 minus cos square x. tan inverse है दोनों तरफ, कोई बात नहीं, तो ये आ गया sin square x बाय द आइडेंटिटी. मैंने इसको लिखा है ऐसे, 1 ऑफ द sin x इज कैंसल, 2 इज कैंसल, sin x इधर आ गया भाई. तो ऐसा कौन सा एंगल है जिसके लिए ये दोनों इक्वल आते हैं? वो है π/4. सो वैल्यू ऑफ sin π/4 इज 1/√2 1/√2. दोनों की एडिशन it is 2/√2. so your answer is √2, means your option is B. Look at this. What is the question? You have to find the direction cosines of the lines. Look at the middle term. I take 2 is a common और उसको मैंने नीचे भेज दिया ऐसे, and z is a -1. This line is passing through -2, 5/2 and -1. Okay, with the direction cosines, z टर्म नाही आहे तिथे पहिल्या ह्याच्यात दिलेलं. So these are your direction ratios. So by using the direction ratios, you can easily find the direction cosines. How it is? Take the squares of these. 2 square is a 4 plus square of this as a 9/4. 4 into 4 16 plus 9 25 upon 4, that is a 5/2 under root of that. So this upon 5/2, this upon 5/2, like that. 0 अपॉन, वो तो 0 ही रहेगा भाई, ये जाएगा ऊपर, 2 कैंसिल. सो 4/5, 3/5 and 0. These are your direction cosines of the line. 4/5, 3/5 and 0. Your option is A. Let's go to the next one. Question number 9. You have to just evaluate this by adjusting the third term. Okay, middle term is a 2/2, it is 1, उसका स्क्वायर 1, तो 8 plus 1 ये हो जाएगा 9. Okay, how you write that? 8, 9 minus 1, taking the minus sign common, it becomes x minus 1 bracket square. So it is a square minus x square. What is the result? It is nothing but sin inverse of x upon a plus c. It is given in the option. Sin inverse of, option is a D. ठीक. F of x is given, you have to find the approximate value for this. Question is belongs to the chapter applications of derivative. F of x, you need the f dash x. What is that? 3x square plus 10x minus 7. As you require here, a is a 1, h is a 0.1. So f of a means 1 plus h into f dash of a. F of a 1 plus 5 minus 7 plus 9. Okay, plus what is h? 0.1. f dash of this, यहाँ पे x equal to a 1, 3 plus 10 minus 7. कितना हुआ भाई? 5 और 1 6, -1 plus 9, it is 8. 10 plus 3, 13 minus 7, it is 6. So your answer is 8.6. Is it given? 8.6. Yeah, your option is A. Look at the question number 11. Question says that the random variable waiting time in a minutes for a bus and the PDF of that is given. What is the probability that waiting time is not more than 4? It is from the continuous random variable. There are two types of random variable. I hope you already know that because it's just the revision and you have all of the data of the 12th standard in your mind. Yeah. So it is from continuous random variable because table is not given. So just take the 0.4. f of x is 1 upon 4 dx. 1 upon 5 is a common. Like that. So probability is a 4 by 5. What is the answer? 4 by 5. You can divide it. 5 8s are 14. 0.8. Option is a B. If you look at the question number 12 carefully, the question says that in a triangle ABC, ये आपको उल्लू बनाने वाला प्रॉब्लम है. Seriously, see how. If you expand this, what happens? A square minus twice AB plus B square, and this one A square plus twice AB plus B square. So a square cos square c by 2, a square sin square c by 2, taking a square common, अंदर आइडेंटिटी 1, तो ये बन गया भाई आपका a स्क्वायर. या b स्क्वायर वही आएगा, तो ये बन गया भाई आपका b स्क्वायर. या अंदर बाकी क्या रहा? माइनस ट्वाइस ए बी कॉस स्क्वायर सी बाई 2 प्लस ट्वाइस ए बी साइन स्क्वायर सी बाई 2. माइनस ट्वाइस ए बी अगर कॉमन लेते हैं आप तो अंदर आएगा cos स्क्वायर c by 2 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर c by 2, which is the cos double angle formula for half angle. ये है आपका cosine rule. So value of this is a c square. What is that? Option? Yeah, option is a B. ठीक, have a look on this. See the question number 13. What is the derivative of log of sec theta plus tan theta with respect to sec theta? So you have to differentiate both of these with respect to theta. Let's come. If you consider this as a u, this as a v, so du by d theta upon dv by d theta, that is your answer. Maximum thinking. So derivative of log x, it is 1 upon x, yeah, by chain rule. So 1 upon sec theta tan theta. Into, by chain rule, derivative of this. What is derivative of sec? Sec theta tan theta plus derivative of tan is sec square theta upon. Now derivative of sec theta, sec into tan. See what happens. You can take tan theta, sorry, sec theta as a common here. Okay? Yeah, in bracket sec theta tan theta which get cancelled. So you just have this. ये कैंसिल हो गया, ये ऊपर जाएगा cot theta cot pi by 4, it is a 1. So your option is question number, yeah, option is B. Look at the question number 14 now. The joint equation of bisectors of the angles between the lines. Bisectors of the angles between these lines. You can write the separate equation for these lines like this. Yeah. Bisectors, any bisector, suppose this is an angle, ये है आपका bisector, any point on the bisector, कहीं भी आप अगर जाते हैं, it must be equidistant from the rays, from the sides. We use this concept. So these perpendicular distance are equal. Yeah. So for these, how you write the perpendicular distances? Just imagine it. Ax plus by plus c upon under root a square plus b square. Ax plus by plus c. Okay. So your perpendicular distance is this. Under b तो नहीं है इसके पास, just the one. यहाँ पे it is just the one. You look at this equation as ax plus by plus c. Yeah, this is like that. So as it contains the modulus, so for cancelling that, you just take the squares of that, x minus y square, y minus 3 square. Just open the bracket, you will get the answer. Your option is the bracket, you will get the answer. Your option is B there. See the question number 15 now. The point on the curve, point on this curve, at which y coordinate is changing fast as 8 times than the x coordinate. In that line, it is given that rate of change of y with respect to x is 8. As you know, the slope of this line is a dy by dx. Rate of change, it gives you dy by dx as 8. Slope की कोई जरूरत भी नहीं है भाई, just differentiate it. It is a 3x square. So 6 into dy by dx, it is a 48. Okay. X square is a 16, x is a plus or minus 4. Just put the values of this here, you will get the answer. Yeah, is asked 2 points. Oh, 4 minus 4, दोनों पूछे, कोई बात नहीं. If x is a 4, 4 cube 64 plus 2 66 upon 6 11. That's all. यही आएगा, निगेटिव की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज निगेटिव क्यूब बिकम्स -64, वो नहीं आएगा. Question number 16, it is just by observing, you can directly write the answer. Look at the question number 16. F of x is given, it is continuous at x equal to 0. So limit x tends to 0, this is equal to f of x, f of 0. F of 0 is a k. Directly put x equal to 0. Your answer is a 0. So k must be 0. Yeah, 0 multiplies with anything, not anyone, anything. Is it given in the option as A? For this 411, it is again option as A. Y is given. You have to find dy by dx ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर, ऐसा कुछ आया है. पहले इसके डेरिवेटिव के बारे में सोचते हैं भाई. डेट ऑफ ई रेस टू, इट इज ई रेस टू जो कुछ है m इंटू मल्टीप्लाई बाय यूजिंग चेन रूल m इंटू डेट ऑफ साइन इनवर्स x, इट इज 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट ऑफ दिस. या ये हो गया तेरा y, ये आएगा इधर. So under root of this into dy by dx is a my, squaring on that 1 minus x square dy by dx bracket square m square y square. What is your question? Yeah, what is A? A is a m square. So your option is a C for this. You have to think about the evaluation of this integral. There are some adjustments. Okay. There are two methods to solve this. Your regular board method is that numerator equal to a into denominator plus b into derivative of denominator वगैरह वगैरह. कोई जरूरत नहीं है. See it carefully. I just adjust this 2 into like this. Yeah. सो इट बिकम 4 e रेस टू एक्स. ओके, ये है तेरा -10. आई नीड -25. तो कितना बचा? -15 अपॉन दिस. या okay, now see it carefully how the maximum thinking and minimum writing works here. Just separate them. Yeah, so it becomes 2dx. उसका इंटीग्रेशन आएगा x minus I take 15 as a common. See it carefully what I say. From this divide by e raised to x for numerator and denominator. ऊपर डिवाइड करेंगे तो ऐसा होगा, नीचे डिवाइड करेंगे तो हाउ इट इज अ 2 minus 5 e raised to minus x. Yeah, that will be 5. Now think about derivative of denominator present in numerator. Okay, x minus 15. You need -5 here. Okay, राइट -1/5. तो ऊपर आएगा -5 e रेस टू एक्स. इसका डेरिवेटिव पक्का आ गया. नो, e रेस टू -x का डेरिवेटिव e रेस टू -x इंटू -1 आएगा. ओके, सो यू नीड दिस एज अ पॉजिटिव. ठीक, सो जस्ट इट इज अ लॉग ऑफ 2 - 5 e रेस टू -x प्लस c. इट विल बी 3. ये आपका 2x होगा ना, सॉरी. ठीक, सो योर इंटीग्रल इज 2x - 3. हाउ यू सिंप्लीफाई दिस? लॉग ऑफ e रेस टू x को नीचे लाइए भाई, तो ये आ गया 2 e रेस टू x -5 अपॉन e रेस टू x प्लस c. ओके, use laws of logarithm. Log of this numerator minus log of e raised to x. x नीचे आएगा, log e is 1. ये माइनस माइनस प्लस 3x 2x के साथ जाएगा. इट इज 5x माइनस दिस. जस्ट लुक एट द ऑप्शन. a is 5, yeah, and b is -3. Your option is a B. अशा प्रकारे तुम्हाला कमीत कमी वेळात लवकरात लवकर काम करावं लागेल. तेच इथे आहे. tan inverse √3. What is that? It is pi/3. Sec inverse of -x. It is a pi minus sec inverse x. Yeah? Okay. So how it is? Pi minus pi/3. It is 2 pi/3. Cosec inverse of this, it is minus, बाहर आता है, प्लस इसके लिए भी वही आएगा ऐसे. So pi minus 2 pi, it is minus pi/3. Denominators are equal. Here minus 3 pi plus 8 pi. 8 pi minus 3 pi, 5 pi/12. Okay. Pi is cancel. -1/3 into 12/5. It is -4/5. तुम्ही जेवढे पटापट काही कॅल्क्युलेशन्स करत राहाल, कारण आता हे सगळं तुम्हाला एक्सप्लेन करून देणं किंवा तशी तुम्ही अपेक्षा ठेवणं हे चुकीचं असेल. 19. ऑप्शन इज बी. या 20. Just separate the limit. How it is? See the thinking. Log of 1 plus 2x upon 2x into 2. Yeah? Log of 1 plus 2x upon 2x into 2. एक x इथे वापरला मी. Into limit x tends to 0 sin of x degree upon x. What about these? It is 1 into 2. It is a 2. And remember, when sin x upon x it is a 1, but when it is a sin of x degree it is pi upon 180. Conversion, you multiply by pi upon 180 pi वगैरह वगैरह. Directly remember this, answer is pi upon 180 always. So dividing by 2, your answer is pi by 90. So for question number 20, your option is C. ठीक. Let's see the question number 21. This function is given, you have to think about the dy by dx. How it is? By conversion of logarithmic into exponent, 10 square, that is a 100, I write upon 1, x square minus y square upon this. By componendo dividendo, 100 plus 1, it is a 101 upon 99. This plus this y square is cancelled, 2x square. When you subtract, it is like this. Okay? Yeah. Just transfer this y square, you may write like that, minus 99 upon this x square, differentiate, twice y dy by dx. So dy by dx, twice y आहे इथे, minus 99 upon this, it is a twice x, 2 to cancel, x upon y. Maximum thinking. Is it given in the option? 99x upon 101y. Option is A. Look at this. Minus a to a. You have to think whether the function is odd or even. So for that we just check. This is your f of x. F of minus x. Log of 2. Sin of minus theta. माइनस साइन थीटा, तो ये हो जाएगा प्लस, फिर से ये हो जाएगा माइनस. ओके, इसको उल्टा करेंगे तो ये माइनस होगा. सो माइनस लॉग ऑफ 2 माइनस साइन एक्स 2 प्लस साइन एक्स. इट इज योर एफ ऑफ एक्स. सो एफ ऑफ माइनस एक्स इज a minus f of x. The function is odd, answer must be 0. Simple. So 22 option is D. Look at this, it is from integration. A raised to जो है वो गड़बड़ वाला है. So just take the substitution. This one as a t, उसका derivative 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is a dt. So it is a 2 plus x square. It is a dt. So your integral is a raised to t dt, a raised to t upon log a plus c. Replace t. What is that? Option is a C. You have to find the order and degree of this. Yeah. For finding the order and degree, we remove these fractions. So by making the cube, यह भी आएगा. So for the order, we must proceed for d2y by dx square. That is a order. और उसके आगे जो है वो डिग्री. सो ऑर्डर इज अ 2, डिग्री इज अ 3, और डिग्री इज अ 3, ऑर्डर इज अ 2. उल्टा करू नका. व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन? डिग्री एंड ऑर्डर. डिग्री इज अ 3, ऑर्डर इज अ 2, 3 and 2. ऑप्शन इज अ बी. See the question number 25. What is the acute angle between the line and plane? असं म्हटलं आहे. This one is the equation of line. Okay. So from that, we take this from equation of plane, this one. तो a बार है आपका ऐसे और ये है n बार. ओके. अँगल बिटवीन द लाईन्स असेल म्हणजे दोन्ही इक्वेशन जर लाईनचे असतील तर कॉस थिटा काढतात. ओके. आणि अँगल बिटवीन लाईन अँड प्लेन असेल तर साइन थिटा काढला जातो. सो साइन थिटा इज a bar dot n bar upon magnitude of that. 2 minus 1 plus 1 means it is a 2. 1 1 1 root 3. 2 plus 1 plus 1 कितना रे भाई? Sorry, 4 plus 1 plus 1. It is a root 6. Yeah. 6 3 is 18. So it is 3 root 2. So root 2 upon 3, that will be your sin theta by cancelling one of the root 2 from numerator. What is the option? Sin inverse of root 2 upon 3. Option is B. Question number 26. Find the area bounded by the region between this with the x-axis. As with the x-axis असं जर म्हटलं असेल, so for y equal to 0, your equations are like this, taking x as a common, so values of x are 0 and 2. So integration from 0 to 2y dx. ये ऐसे 2 is outside, so x square upon 2, x cube upon 3. Just put the values of x. 2 square 4 upon 2, it is a 2. 2 cube 8 upon 3. 3 2s are 6. Minus 8. Minus 2. So minus 4 by 3, neglecting the negative sign. Your answer is a 4 by 3. 26. Option is B. Because we consider the modulus of that. Question number 27. F of x upon that, your answer is log of sin x. Means the concept belongs to derivative of the function और नीचे डेरिवेटिव चाहिए. थोडंसं फसवलं आहे. एफ ऑफ एक्स हा एफ डॅश एक्सचं काम करेल आणि एफ ऑफ एक्सचं काम लॉग ऑफ साइन एक्स करेल. मग खालच्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह जेव्हा वरती असतो तेव्हा तुमचं उत्तर लॉग ऑफ डिनॉमिनेटर असं येतं. इंटिग्रेशन म्हणजे याचा अर्थ असा की याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह वरती पाहिजे. सो डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ लॉग ऑफ साइन एक्स 1 upon sin x into cos x. Chain rule. Cos upon sin, it is a cot x. Just by observation, f of x is a cot x. What is the option? Your option is A. Look at question number 28. Read it carefully. If A and B are the foot of perpendicular drawn from the point Q, ABC to the planes YZ plane, okay, ZX plane. So from this point, when you draw the perpendicular on YZ plane, तो x 0 होगा. So the points of A are like this. You are drawing the perpendicular B is the foot of perpendicular on ZX plane. ZX, Y नहीं है. So it is like this. So OA bar, it is BJ, plus CK, and OB bar, it is AI plus CK. Okay. Now the plane is passing through origin and it is perpendicular to OA bar and OB bar. तो OA बार और OB बार का जो क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट होगा वो प्लेन के लिए नॉर्मल का काम करेगा. तो हम निकालेंगे भाई OA बार OB बार IJK 0BC A0C BCI या ये आ गया आपका 0 माइनस माइनस प्लस ACJ, ये आ गया 0, तो ये होगा प्लेन के लिए n बार. सो इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन इज r bar dot n bar इक्वल टू 0 बिकॉज इट इज पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन. सो r बार होगा आपका xi yj प्लस zk with this as a 0. So xbc plus acy minus equal to 0. So bcx plus acy equal to abz divided by abc. You will get it as x upon a y upon b equal to z upon c. What is your option? Yeah, your option is A because you transfer this. See the question number 29. A bar, B bar, C bar are given and C bar is expressed like this. You have to find the values for m plus n. Just put the values. C bar m a bar n b bar. Okay, we directly collect the values of I and j there. M a bar means it is m only, twice of this. Okay, so it is a twice n. k के लिए जाएंगे, j को छोड़ दो तो ये आएगा आपका माइनस ट्वाइस m, k के लिए प्लस n, ये आ गया I, ये आ गया K. So your options, equations are these: equal to 3 minus 2m plus n equal to minus n. Just multiply this by 2. Twice m plus 4n is a 6 minus 1. They get cancelled. 5n equal to 5. So n is a 1. If n is a 1, m is also 1. So m plus n is a 2. Simple one. Calculation जेवढे तुम्ही पटापट कराल तेवढं तुमचं काम सोपं होतं. So your option is a C. 30 and 31, these are the direct problems. Look at the problem number 30. It is integration from 0 to pi by 2, nth root of sec x, nth root of sec x, nth root of cosec x. Actually sec of pi by 2 minus x, it is a cosec x. And cosec of pi by 2 minus x, it is a sec x. For your regular board method, you are applying like this. Consider it as a 1, then by the property 0 to a, f of x equal to f of a minus x. By adding that, you will get it as a twice I. The simple answer is that, remember this, when the limit from 0 to a, for such a problems which are get changed to mutually x cosec sin cos tan cot, answer is always half of the upper limit. So what is the upper limit? Pi by 2. So uska half pi by 4. Your option is C. See the 31. The table is given, then what is capital F of 0? Actually it is a CDF. As you know, F of 0, what is meaning of F of 0? 0 पर्यंत असणाऱ्या सगळ्या probabilityची बेरीज. मग 0 पर्यंत कोणाकोणाची बेरीज होईल? P of minus 2 plus P of minus 1 plus P of 0. हे वेगळं कसं मांडता येईल? 1 minus P of x greater than 0. 0 पेक्षा मोठे जे आहेत ते सगळे 1 मधून सोडायचे. सो युअर ऑप्शन इज C again. Now look at this 32. It is a differential equation. You have to find the particular solution. Okay, first we use the variable separable method. ये आ गया भाई इधर, हाँ, ये dy इसके साथ, ओके, ये y नीचे, फिर ये इधर आ गया. So your answer is like this. dy upon y. Variable separable, integrating on both sides. If you have the concepts of derivative clearly in your mind, then the derivative of this is this one. By using product rule, x into 1 upon x, x cancel, 1 log x into derivative of x is 1 log x. So it is log of x log x is equal to log y plus log c. By laws of logarithm, m upon n, log cancel. So x log x upon y is equal to c. You have to find the particular solution at the point x is a e, y is a e square. X is a e, log e is a 1, y is a e square equal to c. One of the e is a cancel. So c is 1 upon e. So decide your answer. Just put the value of c as a 1 upon e. So x log x upon y is 1 upon e. Okay. So what is the answer? Y is equal to ex log x. Yeah, it is your option number A. See the question number 33. What is the question? M and n are the midpoints. M is a midpoint of AC, N is a midpoint of BD. Okay? चलो पहले इसके बारे में सोचते हैं. You can write it as like this. By the position vectors. ठीक? So it is a twice B bar, twice D bar, twice A bar, twice C bar. As M is a midpoint, so what is your M bar? A bar plus C bar upon 2. N is a midpoint. It is a B bar plus D bar upon 2. Yeah? So take 2 is a common. Kashala 2 is a common. B bar plus D bar, it is a twice N bar. Got it? Okay. Let us take 2 is a common. कोई बात नहीं. तो ये क्या हो गया? Twice n bar, तो ये बन गए 4n bar. Definitely it is a 4m bar. 4 is a common. Like this. Simple one. Is it option? Question number 33. 4mn. Not nm, 4mn. Option is a C. Look at question number 34. dy by dx plus py equal to q. Integrating factor is a sin x. अच्छा, how you write the integrating factor? Sin x दिलेला आहे तो, पण how you write that? Integration of p dx. Yeah. So sin x integration of No. Suppose it is a cot x. What is integration of cot x? Log of sin x. So you can write it as e raised to log of sin x. As you know, e raised to log अगर होता है तो directly function होता है sin x equal to sin x. So p must be cot x. What is the option? Option is a D. 35. You can directly go for that. Which of the following equation does not represent pair of lines? Look at the first. X square minus x equal to 0. You can take x is a common, x minus 1 equal to 0. You get two separate equations. Two separate equations. So it is a joint equation. B xy आहे म्हणजे जॉइंट इक्वेशन आहेच. D xy plus x plus y, xy is there, joint equation is there. Y square minus x plus 1, you can't separate it as a two equations. If you separate it, it becomes like this, y square equal to x plus 1, it becomes the parabola, not the line. So your option is a C for question number 35. 36. Probability of guessing correctly at least 7 out of 10. N is a 10. In a true or false, P is a 1 by 2, Q is also 1 by 2. Okay, so your PMF is like this: 10Cx 1 by 2 raised to x 1 by 2 raised to this. What is the question? At least 7, कम से कम 7, तो ये ऐसे आएगा भाई. ओके, 7 8 9 10, 10C7. See the logic behind this. ये 7 तो ये 7 तो ये आ गया 3, यानी कि वो ऐसे ही बनेंगे. 10C8 ये ऐसा ही रहेगा. 8 10 minus 2, 10 minus 8 2, वो बन के 10 ही आएगा. That is a common sense behind this. And it is a 10C10 1 by 2 raised to 10. So 1 by 2 raised to 10 is a common. Yeah? Okay? 10C7 10 into 9 into 8 अपॉन 10 में से 7 गए 3, मग 3 घरं उतरायचं. 3 2 1. 10C8 10 into 9 upon 2 into 1, it will be 10, it will be 1. Yeah. So 3 3 is a 9, 2 4 is a 8, 2 5 is a 10, 1 by 2 raised to 10, 120 plus 45 plus 11. So 1 by 2 raised to 10, 5 plus 1 6, 4 और 1 5 और 2 7. So it is 176. Is it given? Oh, you have to simplify this. कोई बात नहीं भाई, कर लेंगे. Upon 1024, just divide by 4. 4 4 is a 16. 4 4 2 is a 8. 2 4 5 is a 20. 4 6. Again divide by 4. 11. 4 7 24, 4 4 16. 11 upon 64. Is it given? Yeah. This is your option A. कॅल्क्युलेशन्स काही ठिकाणी करावे लागतील. एकदमच डायरेक्ट डिस्कॅव करून नाही चालणार. सी दिस. See the question number 38. What is the principal solution of this? Principal solution, trigonometric function. Yeah. You can write this equation as like this. ये अगर ट्रांसफर किया तो ये आएगा -1. या so tan of 2x is -1. You can write it as minus tan pi by 4. Okay, ठीक. So how you write this? It is tan of pi minus pi by 4. For tan negative you must go to the second quadrant. So 3 pi by 4, it is a 2x. So x equal to 3 pi by 8. But your question is that pi less than x less than 2 pi. x असा पाहिजे. Whether it belongs to this interval? See this? 3 pi by 8 कितना होगा? अरे क्या यार, 3 into 180 upon 8. या 8 दुने 16, उरले किती? 2. 8 दूने 16, 22 त्रिक 66, इट बिलोंग्स टू द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, नहीं चलेगा. सो व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू पाई प्लस ऑफ दिस, तो इसके लिए आपको यहां और यहां जाना है. ठीक. सो इन दिस क्वाड्रेंट हाउ यू राइट दैट? इट इज पाई प्लस 3 पाई बाई 8. या so 8 pi plus 3 pi, it is 11 pi. So for this quadrant is like this. अगर आपको यहाँ पे जाना है तो पाई बाय 8 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होगा. So 8 into 2 16 pi, it will be 15 pi by 8. So these are two solutions for that. Is it given? The option is 11 and 15. So your option is a C. Question number 39. मुद्दाम तुमची विकेट घेतली बा 39 मध्ये. असं विचारलंय B इनवर्स, A इनवर्स, फिर इनवर्स. ऊपर इनवर्स है ना, है. यूज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ इनवर्स. This inverse changes the signs of product of that. It will be like this. तो ये बन गया AB. So just take the product of A with B. ऐसे जाओ भाई. 2 0, it will be 2. 0, it will be 2 minus 2 and 3. Product of A and B. Is it given? 39. 2 minus 2 2 3. 2 minus 2 2 3. So your option is A. Look at question number 40. Every square is a rectangle. Is it true? Every square is a rectangle. Yes. So the statement P is a true. Q. Every rhombus is a kite. Every rhombus is a kite. No. No. Because for a kite, as you know, kite is like this. ये दो इक्वल, ये दो इक्वल. रोम्बस के लिए all are equal, so it is a false. So P implies Q, T implies F. It is always F because second is F. T implies F, double implies it is again F. Both the values are false. What is your option? Option is A for question number 40. Look at question number 41. You can directly guess it. G, G bar, H, H bar and P, P bar. What are that? They are the centroid, orthocenter and circumcenter of a triangle. As you know the property of all of these together, the centroid also divides the orthocenter and circumcenter in the ratio 2:1. So by using that 2:1, guess the answer. That is a property. Yes. If you want to solve that, your answer is like this. 3pg bar equal to ph bar. You may solve this. 3g bar minus p bar, h bar minus p. ये होगा तेरा माइनस 3p. उधर जाएगा तो ये बन जाएगा 2p. ओके. ये है 3g minus h. If you want it, 3g minus h, like this. So by using that you can guess the answer. You need the coefficients of xp bar, yh bar, zg bar. xp bar, yh bar, zg bar. xp bar, if you change that, it will be 2. h bar, it will be 1. It will be minus 3. तसं पण चालेल. So 2 1 minus 3. That is your option. Option number B. See the question number 42. Which of the following quantified statement is a true? Okay. The square of every real number is positive. The square of every real number is positive. जीरो भी तो आ सकता है. There exists a real number whose square is negative. ऐसा कोई नहीं है. There exists a real number whose square is not negative. There exists a real number whose square is not negative. Yeah, 0 square is a 0. It is not negative. Every real number is a rational, not always true. Irrational भी तो real number होते हैं. Real number is a खिचड़ी of rational and irrational. Rational are तांदूळ and irrational are दाळ. Their खिचड़ी is a real number. Yeah. So your option is C for question number 42. 43. The general solution for this, yeah, you can write it as tan square x, tan pi by 4. So it is a tan square pi by 4. So tan square x is equal to tan square alpha x equal to, what is that? N pi plus or minus alpha. Okay, n pi plus or minus pi by 4. Your option is C for 43. Look at the question number 44. See the figure. By the figure, the shaded part of the given figure indicates the feasible solution. The constraints are, look at the horizontal line. It passes through 3, 3, 5, 3. So it represents the inequality y3. नीचे आ रेला तो ऐसा है. ये ऐसी लाइन कहाँ से जा रही है? 5053. तो ये ऐसी हो गई. ये तो पक्का ही है बॉस. नाउ द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट द लाइन इज पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन. शेडेड रीजन इज डाउनवर्ड. या इट इज डाउनवर्ड. इधर है. इट इज पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन हैविंग एक्स एंड वाई कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर इक्वल. सो योर इनइक्वालिटी मस्ट बी x minus y greater than or equal to 0. Finish. कहाँ है x minus y? x less than 5. y is also less than. Your option is a D. See the 45 question number. The direction ratios of the lines which are perpendicular to the lines having the direction ratio. ऐसी दो लाइन है जिनके ये डायरेक्शन रेशियोज है और इसके निकालने हैं जो इनको परपेंडिकुलर है. तो इनका क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट बनाओ. जो आई जे के जोड़ीदार आएंगे वो इसके होंगे. या सो हाउ इज द क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट? आई जे के -1 to 2, 0 to 1. करो भाई जल्दी. 2 minus 4, it is minus 2i, minus minus plus 1, j, 0 minus 2k. So your direction ratios are like this. You may change 2 minus 1 2 also. कौन दिया है उसमें देखो. 2 minus 1 2 है. या your option is B. हे दिलेलंच नसेल ना. नाही दिलेलं. चिन्हांमध्ये गडबड करू नका. काही वेळेस अति घाई होऊन जाते. सीईटी मध्ये पेशन्स हे पण महत्वाचे आहे. म्हणजे बऱ्याचदा आपण सोडवतो, घरी आल्यावर सांगतो इतके सोडवले तितके सोडवले, इतके मिळतील तितके मिळतील, पण चिन्हांची गडबड. मैथमेटिक्स में मिस्टेक इज अ मिस्टेक एंड देयर इज ऑलवेज पनिशमेंट फॉर दैट. देयर इज अ नो स्मॉलर मिस्टेक, नो ग्रेटर मिस्टेक इन मैथ्स. यस. Look at question number 46. The matrix A is given, Ax equal to I. What is X? I think you know the inverse of 2 by 2 directly. If the matrix is like this, then 1 upon AD minus BC. Okay? What is that? What is that? AD, A. Okay? Change the signs of these. Like this. So 1 upon AD minus BC, 3 minus 8, minus 1 upon 5. ये आ गए इधर, इनके बदल दिए साइंस. अगर निगेटिव आपने अंदर डाल दिया तो ये आएंगे ऐसे. है क्या देखो? है क्या देखो जल्दी. थोड़ा सा रहा है अभी. ये खत्म होने के बाद खाना ही खाने का है भाई अपन को. हाँ. Yeah, it is given. Option number, what is that option? है ना भाई? है. It is option C. Yeah. Question number 47. ABC are given. Their STP is a 10. Just use the determinant. Yeah. What is A? 1, 1, 1. What is B? 2 lambda 1. What is C? 1 minus 1, 4 is equal to 10. You can just easily solve that. I just give you the option. Your answer is A. See the question number 48. It is from the binomial distribution. P is given 1 by 3. So Q is 2 by 3. Probability of 2 less than x less than 4. Means you have to find the probability of P of x equal to 3. What is n? N is a 5. 5C3. Yeah, like that. Your answer is for the 48. I hope you can easily solve that. Yeah, good. 49. Look at the question. The objective function z equal to x1 plus x2 subject to 3 are given. Maximum value of the feasible region. You have to just draw the figure. The figure is like this. Yeah. So by that figure, you can decide your answer. Your option is C for that. Last but not least. Question number 50. What is the question? The symbolic form S1 dash, S2, S1 dash means it is negation of P and Q parallel or नीचे कौन है? S1 and S2 dash means it is a P and negation of Q. Yeah, this will be your answer. You just simplify it. Negation of P and Q or P and negation of Q, it is nothing but by the laws of negations rule. Rule of negation, it will be negation of P double implies Q. बघा प्रश्न कसा फसवलेला होता. Question number 50. Yeah, the option is D. So here we finish the solutions for the MST CET question paper 2016. I hope you understand the concepts that I just discussed with you. So for upcoming CET exam for 2020, there are my heart wishes for all of you. All the best, good luck, get the good marks and get your dream college for engineering or pharmacy. All the best.